Hello people, today I wanted to show you very interesting tutorial how to use slice playing, and I was thinking to add maybe to new object to guessing as a representation. This okay. After adding in cube to guessing, I deleted history now. I wanted to show you how to use the slice playing. I will select edges because it will work for edges and polygons. Polymesh, slice polygon. Wait a minute. I think I think this will only work for polygons. Okay, polygon mesh, slice polygons. What axis it is? It's I don't know why Softimage shows me like that, but after a while I can show you this option: create, grid, and connect. I like very much this feature. Okay, let's select our grid. You can see I can control polygon. If you want to get rid of this, you can use commands freeze and freeze modeling. So you can remove all the object. Wait a minute, I didn't select top polygon. That's fine, we can still get rid of this if you create something like house model. And after that I will show you. But this tutorial was mainly about a slice polygon. I wonder if I can slice edges. I had to fill in holes. I have to check people if I can do that, but I don't think so. Actually, this is still possible, I believe. Yes, it is possible to slice edges. You can also move to the top or... I thought it would not work in edge mode. Oh, this is nice. I like very much this. I didn't see this option. Oh, nice. Create, grid, and connect. Wow, I didn't expect this program to work like that. Uh, there is a similar feature in Blender because bisect has very similar feature. Blender has bisect tool which works similar. I didn't know that Softimage has this feature. Okay, now we created a model of the house. I would like to publish tutorial about Boolean operations. Maybe next time I will fill hole. Softimage works very stable. Now we created model of the house as quick as possible. This tool works very quick. Okay, I will leave this model because I got different things in my scene. I am currently working creating Suzuki car. I will have to check where I left image reference because I have to finish my model. It will look beautiful. Because why I'm using this tool? Because it has a cycles render engine add-on. You can download from web page. Sorry people, I couldn't get back to you. This is one of my models which I have to finish. The reason why I am using Softimage program, this has a support. Someone is developing this program. It's not completely discontinued because someone is still improving. I think one of the developers created cyclist render integration. This is main reason why I'm working with this program because it is fast. It has good integration of render engine. There are lots of add-ons for this application. You can see I like very much this render engine because it is fast. You can also download the materials for this application. Not only materials, but you have lots of plugins, add-ons. Okay, I like very much how this program works. The thing is, there are only a couple of things missing from this application. There is no grid feel like in Blender. I will probably have to check if this application has, but despite the fact I still like using application, the only thing which I don't like is how to texture object. This can be tricky because you have unfold operator hidden. Also, you have to keep in mind you have texture projections. Sometimes can be problematic when you work with textures. New unwrap. But I had to think twice before I was applying another texture to the object. But many people like this program because it is fast, efficient. I got some renders for you to show before I finish my video tutorial. Uh, this is render based on cycles render engine, but I'm improving model. This is my old model which I have to update. I use the Blender render engine cycles, but it was back to 2021. But the newest render engine is faster and much better. But I see I still have to do a lot to finish my Suzuki car because car takes ages to be modeled. But I'm finishing the tutorial now and I wanted to say have a nice evening guys.